management. Okay, there is a financial
Okay.
supply chain management, that is, and
Hmm.
TRM is the one submodule. Okay, just I will show in SAP also, like how to do. Just I will share the screen. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is the financial
Yeah.
supply chain management. Under the
Hmm.
financial supply chain management, we have the treasury and risk management. Okay,
Hmm.
this is
Hmm.
next thing is, and what is use of the TRM? Like, why will use TRM company? Okay, for
Hmm.
example, this TRM main intention is a financial decision. Like you need to check what is your company investment and what are the your company borrowers. Okay, like
Hmm.
there is any bond, securities, and fixed deposit. Okay, like that
Hmm.
we can
Hmm.
take and a TRM level. Like a TRM is a financial decision making purpose. Okay,
Hmm.
that's why they provided TRM separately. Next thing is, what are the core functions? Core function means there are the specific chapters in TRM.
Hmm.
There is money market, okay, forex, securities, listed derivatives, and trade finance. For example, if you look at in the money market, okay, in the treasury, there are the money market. See, these are the chapters:
Hmm.
money market, foreign exchange, securities, listed, and OTC, and trade finance. These are the main
Hmm.
chapters, and it is integrated with the risk analyzer, market risk, credit risk, portfolio analyzer. This risk
Hmm.
analyzer I will let you know. Okay, first of all,
Oh.
we can discuss the money market, foreign exchange, securities, listed, OTC, derivatives, trade finance. Okay,
Hmm.
just I will take the one example. For example, money market. Okay, money
Yeah.
market. See, for example, you have 10 lakhs and you want to deposit in HDFC Bank. Okay,
Hmm.
so why will you deposit bank? For example, you have money you want to deposit in bank. Why will you
Hmm.
deposit? What is used in deposition?
You can get interest from FDs or just for security. You can keep.
Correct. Yeah. See, for example, just we can take the example. So I have 10 lakhs. Okay,
Hmm.
10 lakhs, and deposit duration is 10 years. Okay, and
Hmm.
interest rate is 5 percentage. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, just you can assume you deposited in HDFC Bank at 1st September 2025, 10 lakhs. So, total duration 10 years. 10 years means
Hmm.
what is the a year? You can look at year 1 9 to 2035. Okay?
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. Now you can look at this 10 lakhs. Okay? 10 lakhs,
Yeah.
this is amount, and that is the interest rate. What is the interest rate? 5 percentage. Okay?
5%. Yeah.
5 percentage and 100 is equal. What is the interest amount? Calculator we can take.
550, 50, I think. I'm not sure.
See, so 50,000.
Hmm.
Okay,
50,000. Yeah.
50,000
Hmm.
is year is yearly interest. Yearly interest amount
Hmm.
means 10 years. 10 years, 50 into 1000 into 10. Okay, is
Hmm.
equal 5 lakhs, right? 5 lakhs.
Yeah. Hmm.
So maturity in 1 9 2035, you will get 15 lakhs total amount. Total
Hmm.
amount means you are getting the benefit, right, from that bank.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this thing we will implement in money market. If you see in the money market, here money market, there are the classification. If you look at
Hmm.
product type, fixed term deposit. Okay? This
Hmm.
deposit level, you will do the 10 lakhs investment and you will get the interest, and the maturity day you will get interest with actual amount. That is called
Hmm.
term deposit. That thing we can implement in money market level. Okay. So that
Hmm.
that type of the investments or borrowing. So next, there is a one more thing, deposited notice. Okay, deposited
Hmm.
notice. For example, a deposit at notice. So you have 5 lakhs and you want to deposit in a ICICI bank for 1 month. Why will you, for example, you want to deposit in ICICI bank for 1 month? Why will you
Hmm.
deposit? Okay, why will you deposit that amount? Why?
You'll
Because
deposit.
there are also specific interest. Like there are the
Hmm.
short-term investment. You will get the
Hmm.
that interest amounts also. Here
Interest.
you can
Yeah.
see ICICI Bank is providing 1 month 5 lakhs deposit, get 10% interest amount. Okay, interest
Hmm.
interest amount. So this level also you are getting the interest amount also. Means
Okay.
how will you get that interest amount? You can see 5 lakhs into 10% by 100. What is the amount? 50,000.
Yeah.
55,000, right? Yeah. Just
How
we can
much? Uh-huh.
find,
Yes, yes. 5,000.
just we can say we can take the example here. 5 lakhs into 10 by 100. 50,000. Okay, 50,000.
Hmm.
This is a yearly amount. Okay,
Okay.
yearly
Yeah.
amount.
Hmm.
But now monthly calculation is 50,000 by 12 is equal to what is amount? 488 by 12.
Wait, 12.
4166.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. 66. This amount you are getting. Okay, right?
Interest. Hmm.
1 month purpose means
Yeah.
deposit means you have to put 1 month notice period for that amount withdraw. Okay, this is called notice period. It means ICICI Bank is provided the one condition. You deposit 5 lakhs in ICICI Bank 1 month notice period, interest rate 10 percentage. You have to put 1 month notice period in that bank. Within 1 month, you cannot withdraw that amount. That is called
Hmm.
deposited notice. Okay.
Okay. So
So
generally, it depends bank to bank how many days we
yes,
can.
correct. Yes, yes, correct. There is a notice period. Okay.
Hmm.
This is the second point in the money market. If
Hmm.
you look at the third one, commercial paper. Okay. Commercial paper. Here you can see some companies need liquid cash. Okay. See, some company liquid cash. Why? Because sometimes banks will take time for that money. Okay, withdraw. Or that banks might take time for loans sanction. Okay. Here, what
Hmm.
happened? Liquidity cash. ABC company need 1 CR. Okay, 1 CR. What saying? What are they saying? Saying if you provide if you provide your amount in ABC company, we will provide 6% discount, and at the maturity day we will provide 1 CR plus interest amount. Now you can assume ABC company pass the notification at 1st September. Okay, 1st September. See, what will you do? 6% discount means XYZ person might deposit that amount in ABC with 94 lakhs rupees. Why? You will put 94 lakhs. There is a 1 CR, but they pass 6% discount we are giving. But you are giving only 94 lakhs. Why? What is yours? Have you understand? Hello?
Sorry, I
Hello,
was
sir.
on mute.
Okay.
Sorry.
Have you understand why we are giving 94 lakhs to that ABC
Yeah,
company?
because of 6% discount. Is
Exactly.
that the reason? Huh. Okay.
Yeah. Now you can see at the maturity, what happened? Maturity day, you will get 1 CR plus interest amount. Okay. Here also you are getting the benefit. They are giving 1 CR plus interest amount to that
Hmm.
the duration. Okay. That is
Yeah.
called commercial paper. This type of the things we will implement in the money market level. Do you have any
Hmm.
doubt in the examples?
How is like commercial paper different from like fixed deposit? Because they're already giving us
No,
interest, right? The only
no.
difference is we're getting discount.
Discount, exactly. So company will pass the discount rate. Okay,
Hmm.
during
Hmm.
that time you investment and then you will get the at the maturity actual place that interest rate. You are getting two type of the
Okay.
benefits, not a
Hmm.
single type of
Hmm.
the benefits, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
the type of things also we will implement. So we will discuss this type of the way. Okay, so
Hmm.
simply we will take the example, then and we have to configure in system like how to do that money market configuration. So here
Hmm.
the money market nonsense done. Money market here product type. See here commercial paper means we will post separately fixed term deposit and we will post deposit notice. We post commercial paper separately. Okay, like that.
Hmm.
Now just I will show you one example like how to do this one. Just I will show. Okay, we need to configure start to end. Okay, end to end. But just I will show one example how to post it. There is a
Hmm.
deal creation. For example, that company is a TCS. I am putting commercial paper. Here there is commercial paper. What is showing here? Commercial paper 53A. Okay.
Yes.
I am
Hmm.
purchasing. Okay. Here you can see commercial paper purchase. Okay. Just I
Hmm.
am putting.
Hmm.
There is a counterparty. Take. This is a counterparty. Just enter. Just I am entering. This is a commercial paper. Okay. You can see create a commercial paper. I am
Hmm.
putting 1 CR and date is 1/9/2025 to 1/9/2026. That is a 1 year duration. Here I
Hmm.
will put interest rate is 6%. Now you can look at here. Here calculation, discount calculation. Okay. Now
Oh,
automatically here what is showing 6% means what is showing here 93.91.
93.91.
Why it
Yes.
is showing? Why? Because you are like a company is giving 6% interest rate
This.
means
Hmm.
actual payment is how much? 9,33,166. Okay, that is
Yes.
called
Hmm.
commercial paper.
Commercial
Same way,
paper.
yeah. If
Hmm.
I will go here and I will put here like short term investment and portfolio is a money market. Just assume. So next I will do the payment details and I will enter here separately inflow is Rock, rock. So this is a bank, okay? This is a
Hmm.
bank account. Outflow. Same here also. I will give same bank. Go to cash flow. Now you
What
can
is
see
this site that you're inputting all this data?
where
This site.
site is ftr underscore creator. This is front office. I will tell you. Okay, when we join the class, right? We will directly we
Mm-hmm.
don't come to here. We need to backend configuration. Okay,
Hmm.
directly we don't come to here. This is just
Hmm.
I am showing like what is example. Okay, that is
Okay.
the way I'm telling. Here you can see this is a
Hmm.
interest amount 60,833.
Hmm.
Okay, 1 cr plus 66 percentage total interest amount is 60,833. Why? Because number of the days 365 days, interest rate is 6
Hmm.
percentage, calculation on 10 lakhs. Okay, total interest amount is 60,000. This type of the way we will post. Okay, I will take the one example. I will explain you to that example. You understand, then we will do the backend configuration, then we will post to the transaction. That way
Hmm.
we will implement in TRM level. Do you have
Okay.
any doubt here?
No, good so far.
Yeah. Next thing is there is a second chapter. Just I am giving. Okay, this is a demo, right?
Hmm.
Just I am giving background like what is that one. Okay, um, reference IMG, financial supply chain and treasury risk, transaction manager, foreign exchange. Do you know what is use of the foreign exchange? Hmm?
What
Do
is
you
the
know
use of it?
foreign exchange? So, for example, just I will give. Okay, just I give
Hmm. Hmm.
idea. See, foreign exchange concept. Example, Sheeran company in India and XYZ company in USA. Okay,
Hmm.
Sheeran need raw material from XYZ company. Why? Why? Because there is good raw material with quality product. Okay, quality
Hmm.
sale and cheap rate. Okay,
Yes.
see, cheap rate. Now what will you do? For example, XYZ will use which USD dollar and Sheeran company will use Indian rupee. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, how will you translate? Like, how will you purchase from USD vendor XYZ company?
XYZ.
You need to do
So we
in
have
the
to.
foreign currency, right?
Yeah.
INR to see, for example, raw material purchase at 192025, cost is 1 CR. Okay. Now, I
Hmm.
will do this 1 CR to that US vendor. There is a rate. Just I will give rate
Yeah.
also. Rate
Hmm.
is rate is 19 2025 USD to INR is equal to 87.75.
Hmm.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
you can calculate it.
Yeah.
How much dollars you need to pay. See, just to check. One one CR
Into.
by 87.75 1 lakh 13,960 dollars you need to pay.
Dollars.
How much?
Okay.
1 lakh 13,960
Hmm.
point 11 dollars need to pay USA vendor. Then
Hmm.
only you will get the raw material,
Raw
right?
material. Yeah.
So here we have the foreign currency transactions. Here
Hmm.
we will implement in the foreign exchange. What is a foreign exchange? In the foreign exchange, we have the different type of the transaction type. There is a spot
Hmm.
transaction, forward transaction, and premature settle. Okay, we have and a
Hmm.
rollover netting. What is a spot transaction? Means immediately purchase from vendor. Okay,
Hmm.
and forward transaction. Forward transaction means forward transaction means you have agreement, means buyer have agreement with vendor, foreign vendor. I will purchase raw material from you at 31st December 2025 and rate of $85. Rate of $85. Okay?
Hmm.
You have agreement. Before you can see 1 9 September to 25 to 31st to December exchange rate might increase or decrease happen. Okay,
Hmm.
but your condition is if that exchange rate increase or decrease, you will pay USD to INR 85 rupees only. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
that is the purpose we will create the forward transaction.
Okay.
Okay, understood?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Next thing is premature settlement. There is a one transaction. Mean what you said, you will purchase raw material at 31st 2025. But unfortunately, you need raw material at November 1st. Okay? That
Hmm.
is called premature settlement. Means agreement date is 31st December. Unfortunately, you are closing before the date. That is
Hmm.
called premature settlement. Okay? This type of
Okay.
the things we will discuss in foreign exchange. Okay? Foreign
Hmm.
exchange transaction. Any doubt here? So we have the different type of the transaction, and when you join and you will understand how to do and how to configure, how to post the transaction. Okay, we have the more
Hmm.
examples. Okay, directly we don't implement in SAP system. First of all, you need to understand the transaction, what is used and
Hmm.
why post. Okay, these things we need
Yeah.
to understand. Next thing
Hmm.
is third chapter is third
For
chapter is
the forward transaction, is the settlement to be done only on the decided date, or it can be done before that date as well?
decided date 31st
Oh,
December agreement
oh.
date.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
but premature, there is a one more thing is premature means you
Hmm.
can change the date to 31st to November also.
Hmm.
That things we will implement. You will understand like when you join, right? You will understand
Yeah.
like that example and that posting. Okay,
Hmm.
next third thing is third chapter is securities. Okay, security
Hmm.
market. Do you know what is a security market? Do you know stock market?
A little bit, not much though.
Okay, okay, no issue. So just I will give the certain examples. Okay,
Hmm.
here, for example, mutual fund. Okay, just I will show. Just I am taking only important things. Okay, just
Yeah.
stock.
Later,
Do
all
you-
of this will be explained, right, in more
Yes,
detail.
yes, we will do everything. We will explain. Okay, security
Okay.
market. You are interested to buy Tata Power share. Okay, why will
Yeah.
you purchase shares? Do you know what is use of the shares purchasing?
It's similar to like FD, you could say, because once you purchase it, you might have the chance of getting interest on it, like that, right?
Correct. So I will give example.
Hmm.
Tata Power share value is first September 2025. One share equal to 450 rupees. Okay, rupees.
Hmm.
Same Tata Power share value is 30 September 2025. One share equal to 500 rupees. How much you are getting profit here? Tata Power
50.
share gain in September month 2025 is 50 rupees on one share. Okay,
Yes.
100 shares, 100 shares into 550 is equal 5000
5,000. Yeah.
rupees.
Hmm.
Rupees gain. Okay, these things
Yes.
how will you do? You have to do in the security market level.
Hmm.
Do you know what is a bond? Do you know what is a bond use? Bond.
Hmm.
Bond purchase. What is use? Bond purchase.
Bonds, I'm not that familiar with. Securities, I've learned a little bit more about.
Okay, bond. For example, you have property in Mumbai. Okay,
Hmm.
on the east. Someone need that property for rent. Will you give directly? Will you give directly that give directly that property to that guy?
No.
Hmm?
You'll have
Why?
to sign a contract saying, yes, I'm selling it to you,
Exactly.
you're giving this much money.
Exactly. That's purpose we will create the bonds. Okay. There are the
Hmm.
subscription rights, bonds, zero bonds. Okay. There is a
Hmm.
mutual funds also. There is a mutual fund. Do you know what is use of the mutual fund? Hmm?
Mutual funds, again, you have different types of mutual funds. It's similar to securities, like you get interest on it for fixed, like 3 months, a year, 6 months. There are deposits like that.
Exactly, straight, correct. Exactly. Means you will expect returns with good value. That is the
Hmm.
purpose we will put in the mutual fund level. So
Yeah.
that type of the things we will discuss in security market. Okay, we have different type of the classification in the security market. Around how
Hmm.
many? 31. Okay,
Hmm.
here we
Hmm.
have the important. Okay, that type of the things we will discuss and we will do configuration. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
That is a security market. Do you have any doubt?
No, it's fine so far.
Yeah. Next, listed derivatives. Do you know derivatives?
Derivatives, little bit.
Okay, no issue. Here, listed derivatives. So, stock option, future options. These two are most important. Okay.
Hmm.
Just example I will give. Listed derive. What is listed derivatives? You can see first September 2025 Geo share value is one share equal to 500 rupees. Okay,
Hmm.
rupees. 30 September 2025 Geo share value is one share equal to 450 rupees. Are you getting gain? Are you getting gain on Geo share?
No, you
Why?
lost value.
Why?
50 rupees, it's reduced, right?
50 rupees loss, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you can say the listed derivatives means mitigation means 1st September 2025 you will take Geo share premium. Okay, premium.
Hmm.
One share equal to 50
Hmm.
rupees. Okay? 50 rupees. Same 30 September 2025 Geo premium value is one share equal to 100 rupees. Now you can understand here clearly. Share, sorry, premium value increased. Okay, value
Yeah.
is increased 50 50 rupees. Okay, now you can
Hmm.
see actual share value is last. Okay, actual share value is 50 rupees rupees loss,
Yeah.
but premium value is increased to 150 rupees. Okay, now 50
Hmm.
loss minus 50 gain. Are you getting any problem? Do you have
No, it's netted to zero.
zero? Okay, zero. Total value is zero. Now you can
Yeah.
see this is
Hmm.
a our balancing of our share value, right? That is the
Hmm.
purpose we will use listed derivatives. Mitigation means currency loss or gain, it will be balanced. That is the purpose we will use the listed derivatives. Listed derivatives means mitigation. Okay,
Hmm.
so this type of the things we will do. So you can see there is a stock option, there is a future option. Okay, stock option means stock option means do you have any doubt here, Shiran, in this?
My one question is if the premium is what we're paying or what we're getting, because generally
Premium
for
you will pay
derivatives.
initially when we purchase that share, right? During that time
Hmm.
you will take the premium also. Why? Because this type of the issues like that share might be loss. Okay,
Hmm.
that type of the issues you might get, right? That's why we will
Yeah.
take the premium. Premium it will secure. Okay,
Hmm.
that might be increase. Okay, okay, that is a
Hmm.
like insurance. Okay, that is called
Yeah.
premium. See
Okay.
here stock option. Okay,
Hmm.
Geo share value is 480 rupees at 1st September. Okay,
Hmm.
September, but and market is assuming that share value at morning 8 a.m. trigger at 457 rupees. Okay,
Hmm.
4 7 rupees. And stock option stock sorry future stock that Geo share 1st September evening 3 o'clock might reach to 500 rupees. Okay, you will
Yeah.
trigger put trigger point. How will you put trigger point? Below 499 you will put 49 point trigger point. Why you will put trigger point? Automatic sale. Do you know the type of the
Oh.
stock option future options?
Mm-hmm. No.
No, you have a trading platform grow like zero that type of the trading platforms.
Yeah, yeah, those platforms are
So
there,
there is a
no?
trigger point. Okay, like you
Hmm.
are expecting something. For example, you are assume like that rate might increase to 490 rupees. Then you will
Hmm.
put the trigger point is 488. Automatically, when that reach to 488,
Hmm.
automatically that share will be sale.
Sell.
That is
Okay.
of the future option stock options. Okay,
Hmm.
this is
Hmm.
totally assumption. Okay, Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any doubt here? Derivatives?
No, okay.
Yeah. Next, last chapter is trade finance. Okay. Just I will
Hmm.
give one example. Just trade finance. Do you know what is a trade finance? Trade finance. Hmm?
Hello?
Yeah. Do you know what is a trade finance?
Hello. Wait, I can't hear you. One second.
Yeah, no issue. I will explain you. Okay. Trade finance.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me? Shiran? Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Ah, yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. So, do you know what is a trade finance?
Trade finance.
Yeah.
Not that familiar with
Okay.
that.
No issue. Okay, I will explain you. There is letter of credit and letter of issuer and
Hmm.
bank guarantee. Okay.
Hmm.
Guarantee options. Now you can see here trade finance. Here you can see letter of credit and bank guarantee. Okay. Trade
Hmm.
finance
Hmm.
level. Now I will give example just ABC company is in India, okay, and XYZ company is in Germany, okay.
Hmm.
Germany, Germany. ABC company want to purchase raw material from Germany vendor. Now you can see. So this company want to purchase raw material from Germany vendor. That is fine.
Hmm.
Will German vendor direct sale to Indian customer? Will you sell? German
German.
vendor.
No, no, they can't directly sell. No, they have to
Yes,
go through.
exactly. There is letter of credit. Okay,
Hmm.
means when agreement happen with buyer and seller, German vendor ask request from bank, okay, letter of credit for money, means once bank sent that letter of credit form to Germany German vendor, then German vendor sell that product to Indian customer. Okay, this is the
Hmm.
first point. Customer. Next,
Okay.
second point is once goods reach to Indian customer, Indian customer, then German vendor request pass money to German vendor bank account. Okay, bank
Hmm.
account. Third point: if Indian customer not paid, means if there is no money deposited in bank. Okay, what
Hmm.
happened? Bank will pay money to Germany vendor. After that, money will take from Indian customer. Okay, this
Hmm.
is called trade finance. Means domestic trading or trade finance or international. Means you are doing some business commercial, like you want
Hmm.
to purchase something. There is a assurance. If you not paid, means Indian customer not paid, then bank will come into picture. They will pay money instead of the buyer. After that, that amount will be received from customer. That is called
Hmm.
bank guarantee. So this type of the things we will implement in the trade finance level. Okay.
Oh,
There is
oh.
integration with material management and means procurement. There is integration with sales order means customer selling. That type of the integration we have in the trade finance level. Do you have any doubt here?
No, no. Okay.
Yeah. So these are the main chapters. Next thing
Hmm.
is risk analyzer. Risk analyzer, market risk analyzer, and credit risk analyzer, and portfolio analyzer. Okay, analyzer
Hmm.
means, for example, your company investment is 1 CR. Okay, you 1 CR in 2025. Okay,
Yeah.
2025, but you have limit update in market risk analyzer is a level. If my investment reach to 90%, i will get I will get alarm. Means there is warning sign. Okay, means
Hmm.
my funds already reach to 90 lakhs, means you need to alert. Your company will get alert. Means already we completed 90 lakhs, there is
Hmm.
only 10 lakhs you need to utilize it in 2025. That type of
Hmm.
the will look in the market risk analyzer. Okay,
Okay.
second thing, credit risk analyzer mean your company perform in 2025 is 75%. Okay,
Hmm.
but your company perform in 2026 60%. How will you know? Based on your credit limit, your percentage is saying your company going to collapse. So it is indicating, right? It is
Hmm.
indicating sign with warning your company is going to down. Means you need to
Hmm.
analyze up our risk, our company risk. What happened, where is the problem, that thing you will look at credit risk analyzer. Okay,
Hmm.
next, portfolio analyzer. Portfolio, do you know what is a portfolio?
Portfolio is generally about like assets that you buy, right?
Correct. So
Equity.
your
Yeah.
company assets are in 2025 100 crores,
Hmm.
but but your assets in 2026 are 50 crores. So
Hmm.
there is a map, portfolio map. Okay,
Hmm.
portfolio map. It will show there is a line, there is a graph. Means it will be decrease like that. Mean okay.
Yeah.
So that type of the things we will check in the portfolio analyzer.
Hmm.
So this type of the implementation we will do in TRM. These are the
Hmm.
chapters.
Hmm.
Again, here integration with other configuration. Okay,
mm,
means the financial supply chain management. Here treasury risk management, it is integrated with credit management. Treasury risk management, it is integrated with dispute management. Treasury management, it is integrated bank communication in-house.
mm,
Okay,
mm.
so these are the integration points we will do in TRM. Okay, total durations are 40 hours. Okay,
Okay.
you need to,
So
yeah.
how many sessions is it? Like 40
We will-
sessions, 1 hour per session, like that, or how?
Yeah, based on your interest, like you want to do listen to an 2 hours or 1.5 hour
Mm-hmm.
or 1 hour,
Mm,
based on your request. Actually, I will take 1 hour class. Okay,
mm,
daily I will
mm.
take 1 hour class. So total 40 sessions, and you need to practice what I teach. Okay, like today
Okay.
I will complete money market. Okay, then you need to
Mm,
practice today evening. How will you do that practice? I will provide that recording video. I will give documentation. You need to follow based on our configuration. Okay, you need to
yes.
follow it. So if you have any doubt tomorrow session, you have to clarify. You have to get the clarification. Okay,
Yeah.
the
Mm,
type of things we will do after this all chapter, like all TRM completion. After that, you will get interview documents. Okay, interview preparation document and resume from my end.
mm, mm.
So if you have any doubts and you need to get the clarification daily.
Yeah.
Okay, so this type of the things we will